Making a sound on the Glockenspiel. You're going to use the grip that I showed you earlier, keeping your palms facing down. Unlike the snare drum, the Glockenspiel cannot rebound. So you're going to have to do the upstroke yourself. You're going to come down using a wrist stroke, and you're going to come back up as well. The Glockenspiel should be played very fluidly. So when you hit the Glockenspiel, you want to strike in the dead center of the key. Nowhere else, right in the center of the key, just like this. And that's how you make a sound on the Glockenspiel.